Worldwide, there are thousands of shipyards, ship owners, equipment suppliers, and other companies related to the maritime industry. This huge ecosystem is hard to keep track of. Today, if you want to gain insight in a specific segment, you have to go through a complex process of gathering, validating, and preparing information from a variety of different sources. These sources often vary from simply making phone calls and Google searches to browsing vast reports and online databases. Wouldn't it be great if you could find everything in one user-friendly platform? Well, soon you can. With Yard Intel's unique user interface, you can easily screen the market using a variety of useful filtering options to find exactly what you are looking for, whether it's the facilities of a shipyard, the local content policies of a country, or simply the latest maritime news. When you have found the information you are looking for, you can easily compile composed reports and overviews and share it with your colleagues. Yard Intel, making insight simple.